the short sound. E, enter, E sounds as in enter. The teacher let the kid enter the class. E in egg sounds I eat an egg in the morning. Look at this word, elbow. The letter E in elbow makes the short sound. How to make the sound. Spread your lips slightly and let air come out of your mouth to make the sound, as in enter. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It moved or vibrated. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter E and make the sound, as in enter. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Elephant. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Elk. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Elm. Let us look at some other words with the letter E that make the sound. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Bed. Click on the letter that makes the sound. Click on the letter that makes the sound. The F sound. F, fun. F sounds F, as in fun. We play and have fun in the park. F in fan sounds F. It is cool under the fan. Look at this word, fork. The letter F in fork makes the F sound. How to make the sound. Place the tips of your upper teeth on the inside of your lower lip and push air out of your mouth to make the F sound, as in fun. Try again. This time, put your hand on your throat. It did not move or vibrate. Let us look at some more words that begin with the letter F and make the F sound, as in fun. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Fox. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Fish. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Feet. Let us look at some other words with the letter F that make the F sound. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Half. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Calf. Click on the letter that makes the F sound. Roof.